excited for the day.
Guest of honor, sir, with your permission, I invite the principal, Mrs. Lydia Mudhoni, to constitute this congregation.
The chief guest of the day, His Excellency the Governor Mutahi Kahiga, the guest preacher, Reverend Rumbonga, the chairman of the board of directors, Dr. G.M. Kiruhe, members of the board, Mr. Nelson Kamara, Mr. Linus Gitahi, Mr. Gashahi Gitahi, the Director TVET Authority represented by Mrs. Margaret Dohio, the County Executive Minister of Health, Dr. Lecho Kamau, County Executive Minister for Education, Madam Margaret, County Executive Minister present, National Government and County Official present, Executive Management Team of Outspan Medical College and Outspan Outspan Hospital, staff of Outspan Medical College and Outspan Hospital and Outspan Hospital Embu, officials from various regulatory bodies, principals from various institutions, invited guests, graduates and their families, parents, student representative council, and the entire student body. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Guest of honor, sir, on behalf of Outspan Medical College and Outspan community, and on my own behalf, I extend to you all a very warm welcome as you join us to celebrate our 7th graduation ceremony of 2018-2019 academic year. I express my sincere gratitude to His Excellency the Governor Mutahi Kahiga for honoring the college by accepting our invitation to be the chief guest on this graduation day. In each graduation day, the college rewards and recognizes students for their curricular and co-curricular achievement. Guest of honor, sir, I take great pleasure in representing the 7th annual report of Outspan Medical College, documenting its development and achievement for the year 2017-2018. This year was marked with many events and success stories. This can be attributed to the dedication and team spirit of the staff, students, and members of the board. Guest of honor, sir, we are guided by the following principles. Our vision is to become a global reference university in training of service-oriented professionals and provision of holistic, affordable, quality healthcare solutions. Our mission is providing service-oriented quality professionals and holistic, affordable healthcare solutions through compassionate and personalized touch pegged on critical thinking, innovation, and technology. Our slogan is providing holistic healthcare solution. Our philosophy is doing the right thing, always. Guest of honor, sir, we are guided by the following core values. Number 1, fear, trust, and acknowledgement of God in all our transactions. Integrity, honesty, transparency, and accountability to ensure that our transactions shall stand the test of scrutiny. We are customer-centric, focusing our effort in meeting the needs of our client to ensure we provide holistic healthcare solutions. Quality, by ensuring quality and standard, by doing the right thing always. Innovation, seeking creative and innovative ways to overcome challenges. Teamwork, to create a warm and motivating environment that enhances synergy. And finally, discipline and hard work. Guest of honor, sir, on infrastructure, the college is hosted in a custom-built complex set in an expansive, serene green compound away from the town. Facilities required to provide quality and maintaining high standards of learning are fully provided. These include administrative offices, staff common room, meeting room, classrooms, medical laboratory, e-resource center, library, skills laboratory, computer laboratory, stores, cafeteria, and a conference hall. Students and lecturers have a 24-hour access to internet facilitated by KenNet. Our hospital expansion project to become the state-of-the-art teaching and referral hospital is done. Thereby, we now have more specialized clinical areas, extra lecture theaters, resource center, and a library for the students. Plan to start building up the leadership center are almost done, which will increase the number of lecture halls, as well as expanding the library, seminar room, examination room, among others. Guest of honor, sir, on approval and to ensure quality training, the college has been inspected and approved by the following regulatory bodies: the Nursing Council of Kenya, the Pharmacy and Poisons Board, the Kenya Medical Laboratory Technology and Technician Board, the Clinical Officers Council of Kenya, Association of Medical Record Officers, Community Oral Health Officers Association, Kenya Nutrition and Dietetics Institute, Kenya Psychological Association, the Ministry of Medical Services, the Ministry of Education and the TVET Authority, and we are members of Kenya Association of Technical Training Institute, KATI. Guest of honor, sir, on admission, the admission of the student is carried out by a duly constituted admission committee. The selection is purely on merit basis and in accordance with the guidelines of the regulatory bodies and the Ministry of Education. Currently, as of November 2018, we have 1,030 students enrolled in various courses offered, and 193 students are graduating today. We usually have intakes in January, March, May, and September every year. Guest of honor, sir, on implementation of the program, we have a highly qualified pool of professional lecturers with degrees and higher degrees in training, some who work as staff in Outspan Hospital. The ratio of faculty to student is 1:14, which is within the recommended ratio by the Ministry of Education. All our curriculums are up to date in terms of approval by the relevant regulatory bodies as well as review. Several curriculums are currently being reviewed, to mention but a few: the Kenya Registered Community Health Nursing Curriculum and the Health Record Curriculum. Guest of honor, sir, new post-basic programs are also being developed in line with the requirements of the regulatory bodies. These include higher national diploma in nephrology, anesthesia, critical care, theatre nursing, and oncology. We are also working out to bring NITA-approved health courses in line with the market demand. Guest of honor, sir, accepted teaching methods are applied and modern technology is used, where notes are available electronically in the resource center. The college has adopted e-learning to drive its academic program. On a yearly basis, we take the faculty on refresher program on teaching methodology. Guest of honor, sir, currently we have a public-private partnership with Kenya Technical Training Institute, and most of our lecturers have enrolled and others have graduated with an advanced diploma in teaching methodology to become professional teachers in their field, which is in line with the requirement of Ministry of Education. Guest of honor, sir, on information communication technology, Outspan Medical College is now connected with the rest of the world through KenNet network. In addition to broadband internet services, KenNet also provides shared services, e.g. co-location at KenNet Data Center, virtual hosting and web hosting. We also have many wireless access points at various locations within Outspan Medical College to increase access to internet by students and faculty. A network of intercom system is in place to facilitate internal communication. A local Axio network has also been put in place connecting all computers in offices and departments, and this allows much of the coursework to be available online. Guest of honor, sir, the college has come up with an evaluation program whereby the students are expected to do continuous assessment tests and assignment, and this is to account for 30% of the total end of trimester marks, while the end of trimester examination accounts for 70%. Skills assessment are also done in clinical areas as required in the curriculum. Then the students are examined by various examination and professional bodies in readiness to fit the market. Guest of honor, sir, on performance, the examination office usually releases the results 6 weeks after the completion of trimester examination, And the performance for the first and second trimester in the current academic year was impressive, and majority of the students in the year 2017-2018 were able to proceed to the next academic year. Guest of honor, sir, the external examination results were impressive. In the Nursing Council examination done in April and August 2018, we registered 100% pass. The nutrition and dietetics and psychology modular examination, we recorded 100%, with majority having credit and distinction. The Clinical Officers Council examination, we recorded also 100% pass respectively. We thank God and appreciate the students and the faculty for work well done. We are an examination center for almost all regulatory bodies in this region, and 97% of the students who are expected to graduate satisfied the Board of Examiner for the award of diploma and certificate as detailed in the program. Yes, of honor, sir, on attachment, in line with the training of medical professionals, we have a memorandum of understanding with Nyeri County Government and Laikipia County Government through public-private partnership. Our students are usually attached at Outspan Hospital, Nyeri County Referral Hospital, Karatina Sub-County Hospital, Nanyuki Referral Hospital, Mukurweini Hospital, Town Health Center, Wamagana Health Center, Narumoro Health Center, Walazojet Health Center, Edarasha Health Center, among others. Guest of honor, sir, professional placement of all work integrated learning experiences with our partners provide students with valuable opportunity to consolidate learning from the classroom, build practical skills essential for the workplace, work alongside professional mentors, and develop understanding of the context in which they may work. Demonstrate that they are work ready and meet the standards set by the regulatory and other accrediting body. Guest of honor, sir, the communication we get from this hospital is that our students are outstanding in knowledge and discipline as compared to students from other colleges. This is because of the commitment of our lecturers, clinical mentors at the various institutions, and support from the board of directors. Again, we appreciate our many clinical attachment and placement sites for helping our students to master the skills. Guest of honor, sir, on discipline, students in this college are well captured, although we experience a few cases of misconduct, which is not unusual in a place where people of diverse background are brought together. Such cases are dealt with promptly, and we hold dear to the principle of excellence and developing the dignity of every individual who passes the portal of this great institution. We shall not relent in our fight against indiscipline. Guest of honor, sir, building on impeccable base, we have come a long way in the past 9 years. We have made significant progress, and we have been more effective at communicating our OMC achievements. However, there is much more that we can do in this regard, since we are privileged to be part of an exceptional community of teachers, scholars, and researchers. Guest of honor, sir, on mentorship program, the Outspan Medical College has a mentorship program that sees students benefit from help and guidance from accomplished professionals. The program has been created as a tool for nurturing, growing, and responding to the diverse needs of the OMC student, and it's aimed at ensuring that they gain from the experience and accomplishment of persons who have achieved significant milestones in their lives. Guest of honor, sir, on community affairs, OMC partners with Outspan Hospital in trying to reach out to the community. This year, our students have participated in Men and Women Open Days, alcohol and drug awareness, diabetes and hypertension open days, measles and polio vaccine campaign, and also in marking the youth awareness days. All these activities have been successful, and the students also appreciate. Guest of honor, sir, on extracurriculum activity, sports and physical fitness occupy a place of importance in our curriculum, not only because they ensure a healthy living, but also for the positive values that can be instilled in our lecturers through this activity. We are members of CATI, and we partner with other TVET institutions in sport, trade fairs, drama, etc. Guest of honor, sir, on professional development, professional development is essential to sustain delivery of quality education, since it is through this process that the staff can upgrade their skills, maintain their currency, and interact with their colleagues at other institutions for the creation and dissemination of new knowledge. At Outspan Medical College, professional development is viewed as multifaceted and encompasses the following components. Number one, upgrading of academic and professional qualification, participation in seminars and workshops, which may be in-house or in external, participation in community service activities, which utilizes the person's professional skills and knowledge, among others, and we are also a CPD center. Guests of honor, sir, I'm happy to report on the following achievements. This year, 2018, Outspan Medical College has graduated the 7th group of 193 students in the following departments: clinical medicine and surgery, nursing, medical laboratory, nutrition and dietetics, psychology, and health record and information technology. More than being assured of Outspan Medical College good studying and credibility, the college is clearly the leading middle-level college in Mount Kenya region. We give glory to God. Guests of honor, sir, we have successfully partnered with Human Resource for Health Kenya Mechanism and the Ministry of Health, and health professionals have had in-service training at Outspan Medical College. The project has also facilitated training of pre-service students by giving out loan through a Elimu Fund to the very needy student, gender mainstreaming activity, establishment of open and distance learning department, curriculum reviews, as well as empowering our faculty members with pedagogical skills. The partnership is continuing, and we expect to partner in other pertinent areas with HRH or any other institution of like mind. Guests of honor, sir, the following courses are offered here at Outspan Medical College: certificate in health record and information technology, certificate in counseling psychology, certificate in computer studies, certificate in nutrition. Diploma courses, we have diploma in health record and information technology, diploma in medical laboratory sciences, diploma in pharmaceutical technology, diploma in clinical medicine and surgery, diploma in Kenya registered community health nursing, diploma in counseling psychology, diploma in clinical counseling psychology, diploma in nutrition and dietetics, and diploma in information communication technology. I urge members of the congregation to at least make sure they carry the information on admission requirements and communicate to prospective students about this great college. Guests of honor, sir, in conclusion, my thanks goes to you, our guest speaker, His Excellency the Governor Mutahi Kahiga, the guest preacher, Reverend Rubonga, our executive director, member of the board, TVET and county and national government officials, Ministry of Education and Ministry of Health, members of the administration, Outspan Hospital staff, chaplaincy, head of department, teaching and non-teaching staff, students, as well as those who are closely involved in the administration of college students, deputy principal, administration and finance, deputy principal academic, the dean, the quality officer, and all those who support them. I would also like to express my profound appreciation to Outspan Hospital, our volunteers, particularly the members of the board of directors who give their time and talent to the governance of Outspan Medical College, and parents for giving us a chance to serve them. Once again, I appreciate our guest of honor, His Excellency the Governor Mutahi Kahiga, for presiding over this graduation ceremony. God bless you all. Thank you. Now I'll take this opportunity to invite our Executive Director, Dr. Macharia Kiruhi, for his remarks.